Imagine investing just $10 in a media company, and within weeks, your shares are worth over $130. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? Well, that's exactly what's happening with Newsmax. The pro-Trump conservative news channel, once an underdog to Fox News, has taken Wall Street by storm. But is this a sign of long-term success? Or are we looking at the next meme stock bubble? Let's dive deep into the shocking rise of Newsmax, the legal battles it faces, and what this means for the future of conservative media. Stay till the end, because what we uncover will completely change how you see the media industry. Newsmax made history with its IPO, but the real shocker? The stock skyrocketed from $10 per share to over $130. Just last year, Newsmax wasn't even considered a major player compared to giants like Fox News. But with the MAGA movement fueling retail investor interest, the stock exploded. Newsmax CEO Chris Ruddy is now a billionaire, on paper at least. Investors piled into the stock, pushing Newsmax's valuation past $11 billion, making it worth more than legacy media brands like the New York Times. And guess who's celebrating? Donald Trump himself. Ruddy even said, "A rising Trump lifts all boats." But hold on, is this truly a success story, or is it just another case of financial hype? So, why is Newsmax suddenly so valuable? Two big reasons. Surging viewership. After Trump's 2024 election win, Newsmax's ratings soared. Conservatives frustrated with mainstream media turned to this platform. Retail investor frenzy. Like GameStop and AMC before it, Newsmax tapped into a politically charged retail investor base, rallying everyday Americans to buy in. Newsmax even ran infomercial-style IPO ads, urging viewers to become co-owners. This wasn't just an investment, it was a movement. But is the hype justified? Here's where things get tricky. Despite its stock success, Newsmax is bleeding money. It lost $72 million in 2024 alone. Advertising revenue is shrinking as traditional media struggles against streaming. And then there's the big problem: lawsuits. Both Dominion Voting Systems and Smartmatic sued Newsmax for spreading election misinformation. Newsmax already settled with Smartmatic for $40 million, and Dominion is still seeking a massive $1.6 billion in damages. If another settlement happens, it could wipe out much of Newsmax's new wealth. So, is Newsmax the next conservative media powerhouse, or just a meme stock waiting to crash? Experts are warning about overexuberance. Newsmax's business model is shaky, relying heavily on political cycles. If Trump fades from the spotlight, will Newsmax keep growing? Even conservative platforms like Rumble have seen their stocks plummet 27% after their hype cooled off. Where does this go from here? If Newsmax successfully expands into streaming and digital media, it might sustain its momentum. If lawsuits drain its finances, it could collapse under its own weight. If the 2024 political wave fades, so might its viewership. Final thought. Is Newsmax a game-changing investment or just the latest bubble waiting to burst? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more breakdowns on the biggest financial and media stories. Would you invest in Newsmax? Let's discuss below. See you in the next video.